In an era where AI and content dominate the future, how is the value of creation fairly authenticated? How can investors and developers share the dividends of the data economy? CodexField is reconstructing the financialization path for content value. CodexField, a globally leading Web3 content and AI asset infrastructure. First prize winner, BNB Chain Hackathon. Key project in Binance MVB Season 8 Accelerator. Most popular dApp on the Greenfield network. 700,000 plus Telegram ecosystem users. 1 million plus weekly on-chain transactions. Supported by institutions including Gate Labs, Hong Kong OSL Exchange, and Web3 Labs. It is transforming code, models, data, and AIGC works into ownable, tradable, and profit-sharing on-chain assets. The global creator economy is projected to reach $480 billion by 2027. The AI training data market is also set to exceed $30 billion. Yet, content monetization remains constrained by centralized platforms. CodexField, with its blockchain authentication plus financialization closed loop, enters this blue ocean market worth hundreds of billions of dollars. CodexField's 4 core solutions. Blockchain authentication secures content safety and rights. Data circulation uses Codex for payments, calls, and subscriptions. Content financialization, revenue pool and dividend model. Transparent governance. DAO-driven decisions foster ecosystem consensus. The platform introduces the POA, Proof of Access, mechanism. Users inject USDT into the revenue pool, and real platform business income, subscriptions, API calls, licensing fees, is distributed proportionally. For users seeking higher returns, the Codex Forge pre-minting mechanism is available, allowing them to lock in the growth dividends of content assets early. For example, participate in the liquidity mining pool for a monthly yield of 10% to 20%, with principal withdrawable at any time. Choose the Codex Forge minting model for a potential monthly yield of 30% to 40%, plus additional gains from Codex token appreciation. Assuming Codex appreciates by 1% daily, it could increase approximately 6 times in 6 months. Potential returns could reach up to 37 times in 12 months. This is the power of transforming creative value into real assets. Successful Web3 projects rely not just on technology, but also on community consensus. Supported by 700,000 plus users and millions of weekly on-chain transactions, CodexField is becoming a leading ecosystem in Web3 AI plus content economy. Join CodexField now! Participate in the POA revenue pool or the Codex Forge minting program. Seize the era of Web3 content financialization. CodexField, turning every creation into an asset, enabling every participant to share in the future.